All right, I have spoilers for the power veto ceremony. We all know that Zach, Vince, and Keanu are on the block. Um, so Zach had a power, right? He has a power whereby he can give the head of household $10,000, and it's like an automatic veto to take himself off the block. But the caveat there is that he has to do it at the end of the power veto ceremony, meaning the ceremony is where, as far as I can tell, because I read through the rules, he had to activate the power. Um, but yeah, Catherine won the power veto. We all know that. She did not use the power veto to save any of the boys. And Zach, I don't know what type of game he's playing. I don't know. I thought he was a front runner, but the way he played this week was the worst gameplay I've seen in years. He had a power. He got confirmation that it's 50-50, that he's probably going home. And I'm telling you now, if he doesn't win the blockbuster, he's more than likely the person going home. He had all this information. He knew that Mickey was trying to get him out at one time. He knew that he wasn't safe. Even Ashley, who's like really close to him, told him it was 50-50. And he still chose not to activate his powers. So one of either Zach, Vince, or Keanu will be going home. It's important to point out that Zach did tell Morgan that he didn't use his power because he didn't want her to go up. I don't know if he's trying to garner her sympathy and get votes, but as far as I can tell, he's in trouble. Riley, Catherine don't like him. They don't like the flirty game he's playing. I think the solid votes he may have against Vince is Ashley, Rachel, and Will. It seems like everyone else, and maybe Morgan, maybe, but he needs at least five to break a tie. But I see six votes against him when it comes to him against Vince. So, I mean, he could still stay, but he has to win the blockbuster. Total rookie mistake. But yeah, that's all that's happened so far. Rachel's kind of imploding. Mickey is imploding. I mean, the gameplay this season is horrible. Like, who casted these people? They don't know how to play the game. Like, oh, I miss Robin Cast. She was so good at casting. But yeah, so yeah, that's all. Nothing much. Just that Zach is a sitting duck. He needs to win the blockbuster or he is gone. Um, Keanu looks like he's safe, but he talks too much, so he may be in trouble as well. Vince, to me, in a weird way, looks safe. So maybe Rachel was right. This guy's like a cult leader. So many people are for him. Keanu wants to throw the blockbuster to keep him safe. And you have Lauren wanting to save him over her potential showman, Zach. You have Riley and Catherine. They love him. Kelly is going to save him over Zach. Uh, he's just, I just don't know. I don't know. I think Vince should go home. But then again, maybe we do need someone like Vince in the game because he's not very bold, but I think he knows what he's doing. He's subtle. He's kind of like a snake in terms of the game. I think we need someone like that. We need, for us that watch the game for strategy, I think maybe we need someone like Vince against Rachel, like that kind of two sides. So hopefully, we'll see what happens. But yeah, Zach is probably a sitting duck. Doesn't look good for him. He still has a blockbuster.